in this video I will discuss how to get automatic border. So here you can see, suppose I am writing RAM, so you can see automatic border is generated. Suppose here I am writing something, you can see the automatic border. So how you can generate automatic border, in this video I will explain step by step. So here in sheet 2 I have taken 3 column, okay, and I have to generate automatic border here. Suppose I am writing RAM, so you can see there is no any automatic border. So how you can generate? This is very simple procedure. So let me tell you what you have to do. Firstly, you have to select all the sheet or column or row on which you want to create automatic border. So suppose I have selected here some area of this particular sheet. Now what you have to do, click on the condition formatting, okay. Now new rule. So here you have to select last one, use a formula to determine which cell to be format. Now you have to write formula here. For formula, just write from where you want to generate automatic border. So this one is okay. Now after this you have to write and this is simple formula, okay. Okay, now click on format, click on border, select outline and click OK. Okay. So here you can see in selected area automatic border is created. Suppose I am writing here RAM, you can see automatic border is created. Here suppose I am writing something, automatic border create. For here in formula you can change by providing entire range. So also this will create border. So only I have given in formula A1, that's why this is occurring on this particular cell. If you want to generate automatic border in any cell, for that you have to define the range. Now let's see what happened in this case. In this case you can see automatic border is created. Only one single change and here you can see automatic border is created. So this is very simple rule to create automatic border in Excel cell. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.